In this editorial, we're going to discuss the placement of ads into your plan with specific emphasis on placing partial ads. So let's get started. We've got an editorial, three-page editorial starting on page 7. And what I'd like to do is show you how we've shown in previous videos on how we can make holes to drag things in, but the way the system works, it's smart enough that I could actually take this full-page ad, this GE ad, and drag it into position 8, and you'll see that it basically creates its own hole. It pushes the second and third page of that editorial over to folios 9 and 10. Now it works the same way with partials, which is very convenient. So I could actually take this half-page Pella ad and drag it into the top of page 11, page 10, and it will take that half-page overflow from the editorial and move it over onto page 11. Now again, I can keep doing this with smaller ads. I can drag a quarter page in to page 11 and do the same thing until you have your entire book filled up. If you just keep dragging these ads in, you'll see the system is smart enough to actually take the editorial and keep pushing the editorial over as the ads are placed on top. Now I should also say that it works the opposite. So let's say that I actually had this editorial was in my clipboard. So I'm going to drag the editorial into my clipboard. And you'll see that maybe I have all of the ads placed before I place the editorial. What happens is if I actually drag that three-page editorial I was working on and I put it into folio position 7, you'll notice that the editorial will automatically wrap around those ads that have been placed within the flat plan. Now, some higher level movement of ads and editorials, you've seen how we can move things individually. Let's say that I want to take both of these quarter page ads as well as this half page editorial, and I want to move this entire page section, all three elements together, over to page 12. You do have an option where I can select, using my cursor, all of these components, and you'll see when I grab the page, you'll see I have multiple things connected, and I put it into position 12. It will actually take that entire page setup with that partial editorial and those two ads that were placed on top, and let's say that now I have a position here that I can actually place a full page ad if I wanted. I can actually grab the Sub-Zero ad and drop it into position number 11. So you can see how easy it is to place the ads in flow editorials or pull your editorials in and flow your ads in. We'll cover some higher level functions in a future video.